Hey guys, so today I'm going to be reviewing some of my fidgets. Like, not all of them because I have a lot. See? Here. You can kind of see. Yeah, I have a lot. So I'll just be reviewing some. Also, I think it was like on Thursday. On Thursday, when we were at school, we had French, and we were playing bingo, and I got bingo. When you pronounce it in French, I think it's called. I forget what it's called. Anyways, I got this for my prize. I won this reindeer head bouncy ball. Here, it bounces really good. See? Whee! So, yeah, I won this at school, and it's so cute. Love it. It's Rudolph. Yeah, so I got this reindeer. Put it in the backpack for now. Also, guys, I'll do a video of what's inside my mini backpack actually after. Okay, so first we'll review Pop It. Okay, so I'll give this maybe a 9 out of 10 because there's some Pop-Its they don't pop at all, but some do. Mostly do, but there's some, and some Pop-Its the back side you can't really hear, except this one's good on both sides. So I'm gonna give it a 9 out of 10 because of that. Moving on, marble meshes. Okay, so I do like marble meshes, except not all the time, so I'm going to have to rate this a 6 out of 10, because I do like them still, though. But, yeah, okay. This, 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10. It's so pretty, has metallic, and it is so good. 10 out of 10. I can't resist. I love this. Woo! This is in my ASMR video. I love it. Oh my gosh, it's my favorite fidget, one of them. Next, acupressure rings. I'm going to have to rate this 5 out of 10 because they just do this. And they are nice though on your finger. It feels so nice. I have a gold one somewhere. Don't know where it is. Where is it? I don't know where my gold one is. It's somewhere in my bin. I don't know where in my bin, but yeah. This is my silver one, and my gold one's somewhere in my bin. So I'm rating this a 5 out of 10. But I do like them. Okay, next. Pop Soup. They're kind of loud. Sorry guys, my little cold. So they're kind of loud, except I do really like them. So I guess I'll leave this a 7 out of 10, I guess, because you can do lots of shapes with it. So this is a 7 out of 10. Infinity Keel, 10 out of 10. I love how it gets your fingers going. Also, after this, I'm going to make a fidget I like and don't like. So, yeah. And it is really good. I love it so much. It's so good. Love it. Okay, anyways. Then, needles. 10 out of 10 too. I love them, especially the giant one. I love it. So it's a 10 out of 10. Then by chains. Where's my small by chain? Anyways, my small by chain somewhere in here, but my giant one. This is my giant one. I'm gonna have to rate this like 5 out of 10 because they are good and they are like really fun. Except they're not my favorite fidget. So yeah. Water snakes, 10 out of 10. Oh my gosh, I love these things. Like, they're like my favorite fidgets ever. I love them. Okay, then, dimples. I'm going to have to rate this a 10 out of 10 as well because I love dimples. Fun. Okay. And that's all I have for you guys today. And make sure to like and subscribe. See you all later. Bye.